Do you want to invest into 401ks and IRAs but are not sure how much to invest or in what order to do it? If you're looking for a step-by-step breakdown, then you've come to the right place. Today I'll be showing you how much you should be investing into 401ks and IRAs and in what order you need to be doing it. So stick around because you're not going to want to miss this. What's up, everybody? This is Positive Finances, and for those of you who don't know me, I am Jose, and while I have your attention, let me tell you about a giveaway that I'm doing. On this channel, as a token of appreciation to you, the viewers, I'll be giving away a brand new iPad once we hit 1,000 subscribers. This is a small new channel, and I'm looking forward to teaching and helping as many people as possible. All you must do to be entered into this giveaway is to click the subscribe button and make sure to leave a comment below. Stick around to the end of the video, and I'll be going over additional information about the giveaway. Okay, so let's get into the good parts. At this point, you're wanting to invest into the retirement accounts and you're looking at your options. But before I go over the steps, I want you to keep this in mind. It is highly recommended by many financial advisors to invest up to 15% of your income into your retirement accounts. Now that you know you should be investing around 15% of your income, let's keep this in mind as we go over the steps in this video. Most of you most likely have a job that is offering a 401k, but you also know there's other options for retirement investing. Some of you might also have an IRA where you previously rolled over old 401ks into, or you're getting ready to start investing into 401ks and IRAs and want to know how much to invest into each one. If this is you, then first you want to invest into your company's 401k up to the company match. If the company offers a Roth 401k, then take the Roth 401k option. In the long term, Roth 401ks tend to be more beneficial during retirement years than a traditional 401k. But if your company only offers a traditional 401k, then no worries. You will still go ahead and invest up to what the company matches. For example, if the company offers a 5% match, then make sure you start off by investing 5% of your income into your 401k. By you investing 5% to get your company match, you're literally doubling your investment. A company match is free money, and always take advantage of free money that a company is offering you. Second, you want to invest any extra money into an IRA. The IRA will always give you more options to invest in than what a standard 401k does. On a standard 401k, you might only have between 10 to 20 options to invest in, but in an IRA, you could potentially have up to 6,000 options to invest in. As of 2022, the max you can contribute into an IRA is $6,000. So that means you can invest up to an extra $500 a month into a Roth IRA. With that in mind, let's say you fall within a national household average and your combined household income is around $96,000 a year for both you and your significant other. 15% of $96,000 is $14,400. If you continue using the example from earlier and say you are starting off by investing 5% into your 401k to get your company match, then that means 5% of $96,000 is $4,800, which comes out to $400 a month that will be going into your 401k. Next, you subtract $4,800 from the original $14,400, and that will leave you with $9,600 left to invest to hit your 15% mark. With that $9,600, we are going to invest $6,000 of that into your IRAs, which comes out to be $500 a month to hit the allowable $6,000 max for your IRAs. If you're still with me, you can see that we still have a remainder of $3,600 left to invest. You will now go ahead and add the remainder $3,600 into your company 401k to bring your 401k total up to $8,400, which comes out to $700 a month that will be going into your Roth 401k. Once you have your 401ks and IRAs set up in auto mode, the only thing you will need to do as time goes by and as you continue getting raises is to just continue adding any extra income to your company 401k until you reach the maximum yearly contribution as of 2022 of $20,500. The final bonus step to all this is to make sure you're investing all your money into some good funds. Never, and I repeat, never invest into any age-based automatic funds where they just manage it for you. Investing is not hard. You just have to know some basics and know what funds to invest in based on your risk level. Keep in mind, with higher risk can come higher rewards. Maybe if you're in a younger bracket, you can invest into some of the riskier funds that I'm about to mention and then move your funds into more medium risk funds as you get older. On average, when you look at your options in a company 401k, usually the best option to invest in is a fund that tracks the S&P 500. So make sure to keep an eye out for any fund that says it tracks the S&P 500. Depending on the investment firm you're using, the name of the fund will vary, but on average, it will always have the numbers 500 in the name. For the money invested in the IRA, on the other hand, you have more options. You can invest in mutual funds, ETFs, and individual stocks. Personally, I would never invest in individual stocks when it comes to retirement accounts. Personally, for my IRA, I look for ETFs that track the NASDAQ 100 like these two with ticker symbol QQQ and QQQM. In the past 5 years, the NASDAQ 100 has had returns much higher than the S&P 500, and this is the biggest advantage of IRAs. IRAs give you more options to invest in based on your risk levels. Depending on what type of investor you are and what type of risk levels you feel comfortable with, here are some funds to look at. First fund is the Vanguard Total Market Index, ticker symbol VTI. This fund tracks over 4,100 companies. It is considered a low-risk fund. For the past 10 years, it has maintained an average yearly return of 16.2%. Second fund is the S&P 500, ticker symbol VOO. This fund tracks the top 500 companies. It is considered a medium risk fund. For the past 10 years, it has maintained an average yearly return of 16.5. Third fund is a fund that tracks the NASDAQ 100, ticker symbols QQQ or QQQM. These funds track the top 100 companies. These are considered a little riskier funds, but for the past 10 years, they've maintained an average yearly return of 22%. Now, feel free to review all these funds I mentioned here. I spent countless amount of hours comparing funds to help make life easier for you. Check each one of these funds, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment below, and I will try my best to help you with any questions you might have about these funds. Okay, so I hope you have found this to be very useful for understanding where to invest and how much you should be investing. Okay, so before I let you go, let's get into the additional details on our giveaway. We will be giving away the newest iPad once we hit 1,000 subscribers. If you want to be entered into our giveaway, the rules are super simple. All you must do is subscribe to the channel and make sure to leave a comment below. Right? A random winner will be selected from the comments, so make sure to comment on all my videos to increase your chances to win. Just remember, you must be a subscriber for your comment to count. The winner will be announced on a special video once we hit that 1,000 subscribers mark, so make sure to stick around to see if you're the lucky winner. To help protect you from scammers, I will never reach out to you in the comments directly to tell you you have won. I will be announcing the winner on a special 1,000 subscriber video, and in that video I will let you know how to contact me to claim your prize. Okay, my friends, and remember, always stay positive. Together we can do this.